First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning, and we've got active weather in the west and active weather to the east, and in the middle part of the country, not much going on. And so what do you think's going on? You've got two areas of low pressure and then high pressure right in the middle, and high pressure tends to lead to quiet weather, and that's why our quiet weather is going to continue. We had quiet weather over the weekend. The high pressure is built in very quickly, built in pretty much everywhere where that cold front has left. And so though there's still some active weather in the northeast, it's a big, powerful low pressure system, but it's going to be sliding off to the north and east as we go through today, and high pressure will continue to expand. And this high is a pretty strong high, so it's going to be camped out for really the next 3 days, but ever so slowly, it's going to be sliding off to the east, and this cold front is going to be moving in. This front is not going to arrive here in the valley, though, until it looks like early Thursday morning. And by the time it does arrive, it looks like it's going to arrive in a weakened state. It's going to cool us down, but not dramatically. It's not going to be as dramatic a cold front as this last one was. Let's track the weather over the next 3 days, because there's just going to be gradual changes for the next 3 days. This morning, mostly sunny skies. I think there's going to be even more sun this afternoon, though. Bright sunshine coming through, just maybe a few wispy cirrus clouds out there. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s, and we're still going to have low humidity, so it's still going to be a nice day. One exception, it is going to be windy today. You're going to be feeling those big-time wind gusts. We jump ahead to tomorrow morning. I think a few more clouds to start. We'll call it a partly cloudy start, but then I think, again, those clouds, any clouds that are out there are going to break up. Lots of sun in the afternoon, once again, in the mid-80s. And though it's going to be a touch more humid, we're still in the comfortable range for humidity. It's not going to be feeling bad. So Tuesday also looks like a nice day. Jump ahead to Wednesday and notice even more clouds around. Again, even more so in the lower valley, more clouds in the lower valley, fewer in the upper valley, which always tends to be the case. In general, though, a mostly cloudy start. Again, the clouds break up in the afternoon, but not as much. I think still mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, but with all that sun, our temperatures are going to make it into the upper 80s, and the reason why we're starting out with more clouds Wednesday morning, the humidity. It's going to make a comeback. So by Wednesday, it's not going to be feeling as pleasant. So enjoy the next 2 days, because Wednesday, feeling a little bit more summer-like. Not too bad. Again, we're just talking about the upper 80s, not that horrible heat and humidity that we're kind of seeing last Friday. Last Friday was rough. Nothing like that in the 7-day forecast. Today, great, 85 degrees, sunny skies, low humidity. The one negative, it is going to be on the windy side. We're going to have gusts around 30 miles per hour. We're going to see the winds gradually increasing this morning in the afternoon, looking very windy. The winds die down some tonight, not completely. There's still going to be a breeze, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly clear skies. The combination of the breeze, though, and a few more clouds than what we've seen the last couple nights, I think that means that it's not going to be as cool. We're going to cool down to 65. 65, though, is a normal low temperature for this time of year, so not seeing anything out of the ordinary. The combination of low humidity and high winds today has triggered a red flag warning for Starr and Hidalgo County. Notice not in the lower valley. That doesn't mean it's not going to be windy. It's just a slightly higher humidity in the lower valley, not quite as dry. It's going to be drier in the upper valley, and that's triggering the red flag warning. All it means is that there's a high risk of fires, so to avoid seeing any wildfires, brush fires, don't burn anything outside, and be careful extinguishing those cigarettes. Make sure they go in those ashtrays. Don't just fling them out the window, because a brush fire could start very easily with the conditions we're going to have today. And probably the fire threat's going to continue for tomorrow, because another day with very comfortable levels of humidity but high winds. But by Wednesday, that humidity is going to be back, so at that point, the fire threat will be over. Then a cold front comes in. We cool back down to the low 80s, but we start warming right back up to 90 again on Saturday. Late Saturday night, it looks like yet another cold front is going to come in. Notice we do have some small rain chances Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday night and Sunday morning. Right now, though, it doesn't look like any good soaking rains that would really help put a dent in that drought.